Tonight at Steak and Shake. This thing is out of control.
A few other things, like, you know, if somebody wants to tailgate you in traffic, or, you know, they're driving like over the neighborhood, we can actually make it sound like anything you want. We've got a whole, it ties in with the throttle. I'll have it with two adapters, so you want, you're in the mood for, you know, something that's
Compliments of Robert from the shop, bringing out the Back to the Future Tesla here tonight at Steak and Shake.
Tell me about some of the top secret components.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of power to time travel. So
Absolutely.
We keep that under the hood. You ever see the engine in a Tesla?
No. Not one. I've never seen one in one of these.
Well, this one has a very special engine. It's what it takes to make 1.21 gigawatts of power.
Oh my God. That is hilarious.
Wow. Who helped you bring all of these ideas?
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Yeah.
That is too cool.
That's nicely done. So yeah, you can play it nicely.